To start, we need a shade of color, the color that you want. First, fold the shade in half and mark the fold. Fold side toward the center line and mark the fold. Do the same with the other side. Then fold a piece of the upper back. This fold is going to be neck, so do not do it very thick. The top corners towards the center. Later fold the bottom corners other, checking that the bend reaches the corner and mark them. Then fold the bottom part up in half and look in other color of the shirt, making the two lines of the center coincide. And finally, mark the band and ready. Your paper shirt is ready.